from this button, then connected to the identifier. So it detects this thing and changes direction.
It functions, programming language, materials, and resources. Enjoy. This is a picture of ADR that makes well, but this is how it looks when we finish it. To arrive at this wonderful technology, I and my team use various materials and resources. Now I'm going to begin with the programming language. The programming language you use for this ADR is C++. And when we use the C++, we uploaded the C++ code into the microprocessor, which is the brain of robots. Why we use the C++ code was because it is object-oriented. That ADR is an object, so it connects better to objects. So that's why we chose the C++ code. And it's closer to hardware access. C++ offers direct access to hardware resources, making it well suited for low-level programming tasks such as controlling sensors. Now let me go back. This ADR that you just saw, it used ultrasonic sensors to detect motion. That's why you could see it could detect this motion, because we use an ultrasonic sensor to detect the motion. So now we use other materials like jumper wires, DC motor, tire, battery, and so on and so forth. So now the main function of this ADR. An automatic disinfectant robot, that's the ADR, is a specialized robotic system designed to perform tasks of disinfecting various environments and surfaces automatically. Automatically means with little or no human control. It should turn on that blue thing, that's the disinfectant, to disinfect the area. So the function is that it can clean anywhere humans do not want to go to it, or has the hazard. This could be useful in various times like the pandemic, they affected a lot of COVID-19. So overall, the primary function of this ADR, that's the automatic disinfectant robot, is to provide an efficient and effective means of disinfection. If you are wondering, you put the tool inside disinfecting system. So, and it's also targeted. You can do targeted disinfection. Like an advanced model, this thing can be advanced. We can commercialize it also if we can use a 3D printer to print a plastic casing. So this ADR is very useful for humans, and can be used. Like example now, COVID-19 really affected most of us. So now this ADR can be used to clean a place where a COVID-19 patient has stayed or was. There.
Just the instrument that God is affecting, or there is something else added to it to be able to cause the disinfection.
Okay, so now it's called automatic disinfectant robot. Like we use different materials, like I mentioned earlier, the ultrasonic sensor, jumper wire. But you need to add like any disinfectant of your choice. You can add Dettol, you can add Savon, you can add anything of your choice to disinfect. It's anything that you do that will do the work properly. Add it there. But you need to add something like Dettol or anything that can disinfect the area so it can be sure.
So if I'm to add Dettol or whatever disinfectant, why don't I just go ahead and use my hand to do it?
Because you can get infected.
Okay.
Like COVID, let me just keep on using COVID-19 or any form of catarrh incident. So I don't want to contact it because if I contact it, I may die. So I can just send the ADR inside to clean it up for me because I'm a human and my immune system can be affected by it. So if I send the ADR inside, it can clean the environment for me. And once I enter, I won't be infected. And ADR can be infected either once I grab it.
The ADR can it be infected or not? It cannot be infected. So whatever it gets, it absorbs into the system. Or is there anywhere or whatever it has absorbed into the system, is there any way you can be able to get it out?
Number one is a disinfectant robot. It can't accumulate whatever. It's cleaning the environment. So how can you tell me it can't accumulate any disease? Because if any disease should even come inside, Dettol or whatever disinfectant you put will easily kill the germs. Can clean fungi, bacteria.
Now, an individual in a home who has a problem, who has a PA member, who has a cold, or whatever, and needs to disinfect. Now, this family, how would they be able to get this? Be able to assemble these things by themselves?
That's why we created it. I am a team created it. They don't need to assemble it because it's very easy to make. It didn't even take us so much time to make it. You can commercialize it. An average household can afford it if we choose to commercialize it. 20,000 leaves, we sell it. Like, we can also make it more like better so that the people will not through the wires or children will not through the wires. We can use 3D printers to make a plastic casing for it. So
can I ask a question? Please, what's the coverage area and then what's the competition? Like, I want to get on the whole of Latin school. At what point will I start operating this?
This is just a test. This is our model.
Like, what's the coverage area?
There are other models. Like, you can create a bigger one, you can create a smaller one of your choice. And this one, it depends. That's why you buy the model that suits your situation or what you want to achieve. So this model can easily disinfect this whole physics lab. Just this lab. But if you want to make the whole school, telling me you have to get another model, it will work the same, but it will be bigger and it will be more efficient.
So there's no limitation at all. There's no disadvantage using this. So everything about it just back. Everything about this. I know what you're telling me.
From what I've tested so far, I think it is.
Alright.
How do you control the speed? Because when you press the right time, it's empty.
With the code,
The speed was just
code by coding it. You can code it differently. You can code it differently. So then you code it in a way that the speed reduces. It won't be as fast as it.
That's why we chose the C++. That I mentioned it earlier. If you are on the code, you can easily change it.
maybe if it has to be human being, you take your time to disinfect or to clean it.
The speed we used was high. You can reduce the speed to make it to your capacity. That's why this model is a flexible model. There are different models, like I said.
So how can we improve on that? How can we improve on that?
Improve on what?
On this model.
On this model.
Yes, how can we?
You can code it differently. You can equip a different code. Reduce the speed. As you work on that thing. So you need to set it.
Okay, so we can see that it's working. At least, though there's nobody here that has a code for us to be able to know that whether really and truly that they're able to disinfect the code. So we just assume that wherever it says code or anything, it's going to mention specifically code. So we don't know whether other apart from code, other diseases can also be disinfected. Well, that's by design. Now, having this project as it is, what are your plans for it for the future?
Our world today has encountered a lot of diseases. If you look, every few years we have one or two diseases creeping into the human world. We have Ebola, we have COVID-19, sore throats, different things. So how I want to improve on it, like I said, I can improve on it by commercializing it. You said earlier, I can put a 3D printer casing on it. I can sell it. I can make more videos showing how it works, explain how people can use it, and I can easily reach my audience. And because they obviously want to buy this, because nobody wants to get infected when they enter the room, so they can easily send a robot there. So my plans for this for the future is to enable people to live in a cleaner environment.
Just this question. Okay. Is there any way, in terms of operating points, you know that it's really in contact with it? And since it's meant to disinfect a particular area, there's no way you want to send this robot in. You can make, as an alternative, something like a remote, so that even if you're outside, you can be able to control how it works inside, instead of being in direct contact.
I also can work with a Bluetooth sensor. So you connect it to your phone and the other one to your phone.
So that one is
That's
still
just
a kind of improvement, right? In the way so all those things that we can work on.
Thank you very much.
Any more questions?